In this video, I will show you how you can log photos on any iPad. Now, there are two methods to do so. The first method is if you want to log specific photos from the Photos app into a separate folder. And the second method is if you want to log the Photos app itself. Now let's start with the first method. Now for that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Touch ID and Passcode, and if your iPad supports Face ID, it will say Face ID and Passcode over here. Now in this section, just make sure you set a lock screen passcode for your iPad. Now after you enable the lock screen passcode, then just tap on Apps, and from this app list, just look for the Photos app. Now after that, just tap on it. Now on this screen, just make sure you enable the toggle for Use Passcode. Now after you enable this feature, then just go to your home screen and open the Photos app. From here, just tap on Select and select the photos and videos which you want to log. For example, I will select these photos. Then after that, just tap on the three dots over here and select Hide. Select Hide Photos. And as you can see, we have successfully logged the selected photos from the Photos app into a separate folder, which is called Hidden. Just like that. Now, this was the first method. The second method is if you want to lock the Photos app itself. For that, just make sure that you have set up a lock screen passcode for your iPad. And after you do that, then just tap and hold on the Photos app. From this menu, just select Options and select Require Passcode. Now just tap on Require Passcode, and after you do that, then just enter your lock screen PIN. After you do that, now whenever you try to open the Photos app, it will ask you to enter the passcode of the lock screen. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.